This is villa number 9. It's one of the only villas that sits down by a private beach. So you can get to the beach using those stairs to the right, and my villa over here to the left. Just walk right in. You can close that gate, by the way. If you walk down here, you'll see exactly what you came for, that view. So you're really close to the beach here, and you can see a little bit better over there. You can grab a snorkel, check out what's out here. They said there was some black tip shark and some other fish in there. I'm not a big snorkeling fan, but if you are, this is a great place to be, and diver as well. This area is kind of open. It's your living room area. Got a little desk. Some welcome amenities. Something really fantastic about this resort is that the owner and the general manager are partners and live right on property. In fact, it was the general manager who just gave us the tour. The owner had built this property from scratch. So this was not a resort prior to this, it was just an island with no infrastructure. So it's kind of amazing to see it as a resort. It is on a private island, so anyone who's on this island is either staying here or working here. You can see lots of art, little pieces here and there, very unique. Every single villa has different art pieces, which I absolutely love. This is the bedroom. This is air conditioned. You have to step up. Everything here is very personalized. There's only 16 villas in this entire resort. So everything here, even when it's fully booked, is very peaceful. This is the kind of property that's perfect for a honeymoon, for people who just want to get away, very romantic vacations. It is adults only. However, you can fit more than 2 to a room if you're traveling, say, with older children. You can do like an older child multi-generational trip. So that is the villa, and all of them have the same footprint. The difference is just in the views. But this is definitely a very romantic honeymoon spot with tons of privacy. And it's very hard to want to leave your villa because it's so beautiful. But the island itself has a lot to explore. And you can sit in your plunge pool and listen to the ocean.